Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the function of human resource management. Human resource management function can be described into three parts: managerial function, operative function and advisory function.
Under the managerial function, the first we are going to discuss about the human resource planning.
What is the human resource planning? Human resource planning is an importance because this function of human resource management determines the number and type of employees required to fulfill a specific job set and get the organizational goal done. It also forecasts the future requirement of the organization and help in align the hiring process accordingly. Now second is the organizing. Organizational tasks are allocated among its member, relationships are identified and activities are integrated towards a common objective among the employees so that they can collectively contribute to the attainment of the organizational goal. The third one is the directing, tapping the maximum potential at different level and making them contribute maximum to the organization is possible through the proper direction and motivation. The fourth is one controlling. After planning, organizing and directing, employees' actual performance is checked, verified and compared with the plans. If the actual performance is found deviated from the plan, control measures are required to be taken. Operative functions. Now next one is the operative function. Under the operative functions, the first we are going to describe about the recruitment and selection. It is a very important part of the any organizations or any HR departments because it's if your recruitment is going wrong, if your recruitment process is going in the wrong way, you must select a wrong person for your organization. Now the recruitment is the process of attracting qualified candidates for a job role and selection is the process of identifying and selecting the right candidate for that job. The contribution of each employee play a pivotal role in the sustenance and growth of a business. Hence, it is extremely important to select the right person for the job. Job analysis and job design. Analysis is a process of describing the nature of the job and specifying the human's requirements like qualification, skill and work experience to perform that job. Job design aims to outline and organizing tasks, duties and responsibilities into a single unit of work for the achievement of certain objectives. Performance appraisal. Human resource professionals are required to perform these functions to ensure that the performance of employees is at an acceptable level. It is a systematic and periodic process of measuring an individual work performance against the job established requirements of the job. Training and development. This function of human resource management helps employees acquire skill and knowledge to perform their job effectively. Training and development programs are organized for both new and existing employees. Wages and salary administration. Human resource management determines what is to be paid for different type of jobs. Human resource management decided employees compensations which includes wages administration, salary administration, incentive, bonus, and benefits, etc. Employees welfare. These functions refers to the various services, benefits and facilities that are provided to the employees for their well-being. Labor relation. These functions refer to human resource management interactions with the employees represented by the trade union. Employees come together and form a union to obtain more voice in decision affecting wages, benefits, working condition. C. Advisory functions. Under this, we are divided in the two categories. The first one, the human resource management act as a management advisor. We are describing about the human resource departments. What is the role of human departments? What is the importance of human resource departments against the management and against the employee? The personal manager advises the top management in the formation and evaluation of personal program policies and procedures. Human resource management act as an employee advisor. The personal managers also advise the head of various departments on the matters such as the manpower planning, job analysis, job design, recruitment, selection, placement, training, performance appraisal, and at the meantime he also advised the employees to boost up their performance and productivity. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for coming topics. Human resource management model.